Good day, my name is Nkosi. Student number is 216-77891. Module code is BPT1501. And I'm doing assignment 6, which is testing your creativity using innovative and creative tools. I've designed a chart or charts that will be used to conduct the lesson on geometric and numeric patterns. The learning objective of this lesson is to recognize numeric and geometric patterns, as well as understanding multiplication and addition through numeric patterns. The use of shapes and the abacus will help the learners solve problems and to solve the numeric and geometric patterns, and they will answer by raising their hands. So now, we have our first chart here. As you can see from the first chart, we have examples of numeric patterns. So, if you can show me, I have my learners here, Jabulani and Lerato. So, learners, if you can show me, by how much are the numbers going up by in the first example? Yes, Jabulani?
Okay, they're going by 2. 1, 2. Yeah, and then 1, 2. Yeah, it's all by 2. 1, 2.
Okay, fantastic. As you can see here, in the first one, it is going up by 2. Well done, Jabulani. It's going up by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. For our second example, we have numbers that are going up. Tell me, who can tell me how much the numbers are going up by? Yes, Lerato?
It's 4.
It's 4. Okay, if you can show me on the abacus, how is it going up by 4? 4, 8, yes. Yes, 12, yes, 16, 20, 24. All right, stop there, Lerato. Well done. I see you got the hang of this. Well done. All right, so now we're going to our geometric patterns. All right, so as you can see here, there are circle, circle, square, square, circle, circle, square, square. Who can tell me what are the next shapes to follow? Yes, Lerato?
Circle, circle.
All right, if you can show me by using the figures that are on here. Circle, circle. Fantastic, well done. All right, so our second example, we have triangle, rectangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle. All right, yes, Jabulani, what follows next?
It's triangle, sir.
All right, so if you can show me by putting the triangle on the board. Fantastic. All right. So now in our third example, we have a figure that looks like a ramp. It looks like a ramp here. All right. So the shapes are ramp, square, circle, ramp, square, circle. What's going to follow next, class? Yes, Lerato?
A ramp.
Ramp. Fantastic. If you can put the ramp on the board. Fantastic. Well done. All right. You guys have got the hang of this. Well done. So now we're going to move to the activity part of the lesson. All right, so as you can see here, show me by the use of the abacus how to work this out. What times what gives me 2? Yes.
If you multiply 2 times 2, give you 4.
Gives me 4. All right.
If you multiply 2 times 2, give you 8. If you multiply 8 times 2, give you 16.
16. All right. Fantastic. So is 8 one of the answers here?
8.
Yes, it is. Okay, fantastic. That's right. All right. So when we're going to our right, we are adding. When we're going to our left, we are subtracting. All right. So in our second illustration, we have the first one is a blank. Then we have 10. How much must I add to 10 to get to 15? Yes, Jabulani?
5, sir.
All right, fantastic. Fantastic.
Five.
So show me on the abacus how much must I get to 10? How much must I add to 10 to get to 5? To get to 15.
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
5.
5. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, and 5. Now
That's 10.
that is how much? That's 10. So now to get to 15, how much must I add?
1, 5 more.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Fantastic. Well done.
That's 15.
All right. So now when I have 10 to get my answer, if I had to add 5 on one side, what do I do to 5 on the other side?
You subtract.
You subtract. So show me on the board
Okay, so I'm
with
gonna
the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, and
5.
all right. And your answer is
It's 5.
5.
okay. Fantastic. Well done. All right. So with our third example, we have multiples. All right. We have 4, 8, blank, 16, 20, and 24. Now, Klaus, tell me, what is the missing number? Yes, Jabulani?
In addition of 4, it's going to be 4 plus 8, which will give us 12.
All right, fantastic. Well done, Jabulani. What?
12 plus
12.
plus 16.
Yes, fantastic. Well done. All right, so now moving on to our geometric patterns. All right, so now here we have our figures here, which is making it a fun way to learn about geometric patterns. All right, so we have square, circle, triangle. What's going to follow next? Yes, Girato? Circle. All right, fantastic. So please put the circle on the charts to show me that it's going to be a circle. Okay, fantastic. Well done. All right, now we're going to go to our next illustration. We don't have the shapes for this, but that's not a problem. So we have X star rectangle. X, what do you think is going to follow next? Yes, Jabulani?
The star.
Yes, well done. Is star one of the options here?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Okay, well done. Okay, then now for our last activity or illustration is going to be triangle, square, circle. What do you think is going to follow next? Yes, Gerato?
Triangle.
Triangle is going to follow next. Okay, well done. That brings us to a close for our lesson on geometric and numeric patterns. See you next time.